What's up, guys? So the EOS M6 is a great camera. Everything works great on it, but there's no viewfinder. And if you buy one, it's $200. So we've got this viewfinder. It's less than $10. And it comes with this little magnet. The only thing about this magnet is it doesn't stick at all. It's not sticky. It's supposed to be. So we got some glue here. We're gonna fix that. So I'm just gonna put a few little drops of super glue on this. They gotta be tiny because I don't want my screen to be all covered in super glue. Man, this super glue doesn't really last, does it? Okay, so now I need to turn the camera on because the screen you can't really tell where the screen is if you don't turn the camera on. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's try and push this down. Turn that autofocus off so it's not so loud. Okay. What's up, guys? So these are some clips from some failed experiments that I've been working on. So I actually super glued a viewfinder on my phone. It was a really bad idea. But I was able to actually get the super glue off with Goo Gone and a few tools. So maybe I'll actually show another video of how I fixed these mistakes. The other one was I was trying to make a handle for the M6 and it felt worse. Somehow it was bigger and it still felt smaller than the other grip. Whew. Alright. So we've got some more super glue now. Try to fix this. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video on my dirty yoga mat. So the EOS M6 is a great camera, but it's got a tiny grip. My hands aren't even that big, and they feel terrible on it. My fingers feel like they're poking in here, and I can't even feel this. It's so tiny. So I decided to get a handle for it. This thing's cold and metal and still not big enough. So I'm going to wrap this tennis grip around it. So I bought this tennis grip. I assumed it would have some kind of adhesive on there, but nope, it's really not sticky at all. So we'll see if this even works. I'm gonna wrap it and tuck it. So we're tucking it. I'm hoping it kind of adhesivize to itself. So we're wrapping and tucking, and wrapping and tucking. And then I'm going to go down here and tuck around, and then go back over here and wrap and tuck. So at this point, it's a little bit larger than it was. And we're going to try to install it now. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video on this dirty yoga mat. So the EOS M6 is a great camera. It's got a lot of great features, but this grip is tiny. My hands aren't really that big, but they feel awful on it. So we got this metal grip to stick on there. It's still not quite big enough for my hands. So I got this tennis grip, and I'm gonna see if I can kind of wrap it around that and fix it. So let's see. I guess this gloss stuff comes off. I'm not really sure. Let's see. Well, how does this even work? What's up, guys? Today we are going to put a grip on the EOS M6 and try to put a tennis grip on there so it's not really cold in the winter. So the EOS M6 is a great camera, but it has a really small handle. So my hands are really not that big, but as you can see, they have a really hard time fitting on this tiny. What's up, guys? So the EOS M6 is a great camera, but the grip is tiny. My fingers feel horrible when they're trying to stick and hold it this way. They hurt right here, and I can't even feel this. It's so small. So I've got a solution for that. We've got these metal grips, but they're really cold, especially in the winter. So I got some tennis grip to stick on there. I thought this tennis grip would be decent. I thought it would actually have like actual adhesive on there, but actually it just falls off. So I'm gonna have to super glue that, but now we've got a much better grip there. This is the mess from the tennis grip. And then over here we've got some super glue. I'm going to be super gluing that onto the back of this camera, just the magnetic part, so I can have a viewfinder. It's the cheapest alternative because the actual viewfinder to stick up here is $200, and that is about under $10. So I'm dying because I just ate a brownie. And yeah, if you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.